Pakistan's former Prime Minister Imran Khan conveyed a message through his family and members of his legal team earlier this week from the high-security Adiala jail, where he has been arbitrarily detained for 594 days. Mr. Khan expressed his approval for PTI's decision to boycott the National Security Committee meeting, as despite being the leader of Pakistan's most popular party, he was neither invited to the meeting nor was his opinion sought, and even the representatives of Balochistan were excluded from the meeting. He stated that it is unfortunate that the state agencies are focused on dismantling PTI instead of focusing on preventing terrorism, adding that, quote, "The country can only remain united and strong if the public mandate is respected, political parties are allowed to function freely, and the establishment refrains from interfering in politics," end quote. Imran Khan has always advocated for peaceful solutions to conflicts. In his latest message, in the backdrop of rumblings about plunging Pakistan into a new war, he reiterated the need for sincere efforts for peace and stability through positive engagement and negotiations. Mr. Khan has once again reiterated that despite all atrocities committed by the state, he remains steadfast in his struggle for Pakistan's genuine sovereignty, rule of law, and restoration of democracy. Pakistan's military-backed regime's censorship and crackdown on independent media has intensified. Following the failure of intelligence and security in the unfortunate Jafar Express incident in Balochistan, several young men have once again been abducted and disappeared by the state for expressing their views on social media. After the abduction and disappearance of social media activists, respected journalist Farhan Malik and his Raftar independent news platform have been targeted. In compliance with the FIA's summons, Mr. Malik appeared at the designated office at the required time. However, after making him wait for hours, the authorities arrested him. This comes after the state's harassment of the United States-based journalist Ahmad Noorani's family following his news story exposing the army chief's nepotism. A staggering 141 billion rupees in irregularities have been uncovered in the Benazir Income Support Program for the fiscal year 2023-24. The audit report highlights serious discrepancies, including payments made to individuals without valid CNICs, misuse of educational stipends, and unauthorized cash withdrawals from beneficiaries' accounts. The audit also highlights the non-recovery of 40 million rupees lost due to misappropriation and a shortfall of 30 million rupees in income tax deductions. The Tribune stated that according to the report, further unauthorized student enrollments in educational stipend programs with 2.8 million rupees already disbursed under these irregularities have also been exposed. Tens of thousands of Turks defy a protest ban as they take to the streets in Istanbul, demanding the resignation of Erdogan's government or the arrest of Istanbul Mayor Ekrem İmamoğlu, while police in Ankara have used tear gas to disperse crowds protesting his detention. The protests started after the detention of opposition leaders, and dozens of mayors spread to dozens of cities. University students are leading these protests, calling for the immediate resignation of President Erdogan.